Kani ke jingwan her Nongialam Sengbhalang shaka Shillong Airport kalalong hadien bala sapriang ke kubor halo ke jingtmu banwan yuk kejat Nongialam ke kenhun Seng Hindu bawan yashim benta hakarali pyrshah bamdok masih kabala temu ban penlong hakanong ba Shillong haka artarek urisau. Lakban kedau, baka kenhun gau dhwaj stapna Bharat Yatra lani ka kenhun ka ba pyrshah ke jingbam dok masih dah ka bakam baka masih ke deka keme haka ba Nongialam jong kene ka kenhun ujagat guru Chankaracharya Swami Shri Ave Mukteshwar Anand Saraswati unwan banyu kejat banyu shimbenta hakarali pyrshah bam dok masih ha Meghalaya hakanong ba Shillong. Ubak James Hitler Maupanyang, General Secretary ke KSU North Khasi Hills District oleh itu, baka Seng Kabalayalum Umroy Airport dalele kanam ailat ikinu kinu kikin hun shitnyam banwan ban batai start ni alam bakla ya ke jingat belahikai nadu ke menbarim nadu ke rukom bam rukom di karyam kabet ne kale nyam le rukom ladadon ba pyrshah alam bakla nginam ailat setia yakum kita kikin hun ngin pet perman bet kumnu kini kibriu kilap banwan rung suk syapok ke jala Meghalaya. Ubak Roy ku person rem Presiden KHYC ulai itu baka Seng dalile kanam ailat ikita Nongialam ke Seng Hindu banwan yalam bakla ne penbor ya ke rukom bam rukom di ne ke jinget nyam ula penrem ru ya ke jing bamdan ke jingket kli da umentu rang ba ke jela ban khanglat ya ke jing temu penlong ya ke rali pyrshah bam dok masih hapok ke jela dah ke baong baladaja ke basungsi hakane ke jing temu jong kata ke kan hun shit nyam lakadai hakalin tiya nipor penlong rali ke sorka jela kadai ban shimhi ya ke jingkit kli baro. Syuk-syukru day tat hadin shibajeno paisngi ba majistor karib hoy ula pensyai ba Nongialam ke Seng Hindu unnempoi syu haka arpanyo tarik unailur bat ba nakaliang kibo district gila pentikna bakin nam ailat dalile ya uni Nongialam ban hiar hapok kakatling sun jong ke Shillong Airport ban yada ne ki jingja ba sungsi kumtahi Nongialam Sengbhalang da ke jing skohun gila ya prano nakatai ke jaka jong ke Shillong Airport.
Baka along ke isu ke peklik ha ke jela not east ke jini berokwe tekin ke pana kaliang jeni kumkin olam senong tenam barok em nam jeni tingi di bam dok mesi de ban ong hi ban penbana baka taka mesi di ka kimi gi jongki tingimla nimla ban pediang namar ba kumno ye ubri on khana ka mesi ye ubri to ka ubri di nak kaliang jeni tingi pyrshah ka bide ka ka jing sembu gi jongki bat ye ke ka pana du hentai Kulong kumak ke lebuk baka masih lele ke dok masih lele ke dok masih ke batai bahai ke tempat ini ke kumkin orang Shillong ya ke bi pening semua pyrshah bat ngi air ke pyrshah ni ke Sengbhalang namar baki wan ban muslia ye ke bagi long sama suah ke labuk bet ha ke bi baka bam gedi ke ba kum gejek berfesi ngilong hadu mentah hadu suah hadu mentah hang ini di nongwan nong siknyam bawan pra bawan penjat ya ke imlang salang ya ka imlang salang bagi kapis kata kapis kepada hapok Meghalaya dia kumtahi tangba katbang idang ya keren hi mentakas ngi penaba kimya wan syu mentakas ngi te antahi ngila ya keren bagi district magistrate bagi keluargaan tu ban nakaliang juki kila ai ke assurance ba nakaliang jong cabinet ru kila ayo kata ka order bagi mdei ban ai ban lan ini gi riu shik nyam ani po airport umroy Meghalaya kinum ai ban lan de nakaliang jongki ru ki ong ba lasai la daki wan ru nakaliang jong ka an kin khang yaki bat kin khang yaki bat kinum island bat kin tengku ne kin ya penduk yaki local population de kata ka de ka assurance nakaliang jong ka authority hanrei kum nakaliang jongi ru min wan bait lasai bangin pen i kata ka jing shisha bat kabor jongi ki khasi ki point ikon kamai Meghalaya ngin wan lasai ngin wan hang ban pen i ta ka jing pyrshah ban khanglat ikini ki riu shit nyam bawan man khang e ka bam ka di ka nyam ka ruti ka dustur jongi ki khasi nyele hi kat bala ban pen singe yakum kine ki jing muslia ban ba lagade na po rengko lagade na po sun lagade na po umro ki sini ka yang nam ta ka ba jing ru ban pyrshah ki ba pyrshang ban muslia ini.
We will, our volunteers, our members will be present here along with the people of the Khasi and Jante Hills. We will be giving a press statement calling everyone to gather at Umroy Airport tomorrow at 12 PM. And at the same time, we also urge the state government through the district administration, both of Ribhoi district as well as the East Khasi district. We have not seen any statement given by them whether they have given any permission or not to these people to hold that rally tomorrow. If they have not given any statement, we urge them. We demand that a statement should come forth from both the district commissioner that the rally proposed to be held by this group should be banned in Shillong city, as well as they should not be allowed to enter the local jurisdiction of Ribhoi and the East Kharsail district. And we find it very funny to see that the statement of the Chief Minister yesterday or day before yesterday, where he said that the power lies with the Deputy Commissioner in order to give permission or not. We understand actually the Chief Minister is supposed to be the executive head of the state. He is supposed to look after the peace and harmony of the state, but him washing his hands off and putting the blame in the DC is something that is not acceptable. And I think he has seen various organizations has condemned his statement, but at the same time we also want to make our stand very clear that if these people are allowed to enter Shillong tomorrow, if any law and order problem arises, the responsibility will be on the district administration as well as the Chief Minister and his Council of Ministers.